Oil and gas tax write-offs. Everybody hears about them. Very few people understand them. The reality is, when you think about investing in a space like oil and gas or energy investments here in the United States, you have to ask yourself a question. What am I going to get out of it? So is it tax-free income? Well, yes. If you have successful wells, the income you generate from investing in oil and gas allows 15% of your income to be tax-free. That's a great benefit. Do I get big tax deductions? Do I get intangible tax deductions? Do I get tax write-offs this year? The answer is yes, you do. The Internal Revenue Service provided way back in 1986 in the Tax Reform Act. If you invest in domestic exploration, you're going to get a tax write-off. So what you need to know as an investor who may be online saying, what other alternative assets, what kind of passive income can I get? What kind of tax-free income can I get? How do I get immediate current year tax deductions? Well, it all comes back to the same thing. You can get all of that in oil and gas investments. The key issue for you is understanding how it works, finding the right company who's going to educate you, inform you, provide you a track record, give you verification, proof, access to your investments, allow you to get that passive income, and tell you what they paid you for. Getting you those tax deductions and allowing you to use those with confidence that not only do you get the tax deductions, not only do you get the passive income, but you're going to make a profit. You're going to make enough money back off the investments in the oil and gas that it justifies the risk, the time. Great information, great transfer of data, great access to your wells and assets, all bundled into one basket saying oil and gas, domestic exploration in the United States is in fact a great asset class. I'm Troy Eckard. I'm the chairman of the board of Eckard Enterprises in Allen, Texas. I've been doing this since 1985. I work with thousands of millionaires, thousands of high income earners, and every day in every way, I'm educating, informing them, telling them what we do, how we do it, and how they, like me, can take the next 10 or 20 years building a tremendous oil and gas portfolio that allows them to have monthly cash flow, annual tax deductions, tax-free income, and do that with a level of confidence that says this is an asset class. It's not a Band-Aid. I don't need a tax deduction. I need to use tax deductions to preserve my wealth. I want the IRS to let me have that rule they put in place in 1986 to create further wealth, reinvest my income, and do it where it compounds the value of reserves in the ground, the tax benefits today, and monthly income for the next 20 to 30 to 40 years. Again, Troy Eckard, Eckard Enterprises out of Allen, Texas. Thanks for listening. Take care.